Welcome. In front of me is an HTC Desire 628, and today I'll show you how you can boot the device into recovery mode. And to get started, you will need to hold power key. From there, select power off. And once the device turns off, you will want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. Now this will boot you into download mode, from which we will need to then access other menu before we can actually get to recovery mode. So there we go, as you can see, there's our download mode. So using volume keys, you want to scroll down to Reboot to bootloader. Press power key, confirm it. From here, again using volume keys, you want to scroll down and select recovery mode, power key, confirm it. And once you see this image right here, you want to hold power key and press volume up while holding that power key. And this will then take you to recovery mode. Now from here, again, you can use volume keys to navigate, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now we can reboot the device, apply updates from a DB or SD card, we can wipe cache or format the device, we can check the root integrity, reboot to bootloader, which will take us back, power down, or also view recovery logs. Now to leave this, we're gonna stick with the first option, reboot system now, confirm with power key, and this will take us back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.